Alright, so it's a call in an apartment complex. It looks like a maintenance man tried to replace a board here, so I'm gonna check and see what we've got here. I mean, off the bat, to me it looks like they installed the high voltage line on the low voltage trace. So what we're gonna do is try to trace it back here. Check out our schematic. Let's see here. So the fence looked to be on this, starting on this side. Okay. But really off the bat I can see coming off this here sequencer. This looks to be, that's going to be a high, I think that's a high voltage. So let's see. M1 reads N1 terminal. So in the schematic we see one of those R's are supposed to go to disconnect. Yep, so that's high voltage coming off. Disconnect on one. And the other skinny one is going to the normally open side of the this here relay. But instead of it doing that, it's dropping down on this R, 24 volts. So yep, so yeah, he's got that backwards. So we got, that's our, if you can see, this is going to be our R here. It's going in. That was connected here to the normally open at the 24 volts. That should have actually been, it's too late to do anything with this now. I'm just putting it right for the new board. So that would have gone here. Sweet, you got one? Mm-hmm. Nice. So yeah, I found out the issue. So
What?
yeah, you had this M1, which is the schematic. It's a high voltage line. Mm-hmm. You had that going to your low voltage here on your 24 volt side.
Yeah.
And then you had your low voltage going to where your high voltage was going. So that's basically, I mean, as far as what blew it the first time, it might have been
I don't know what
a lightning strike or something, but
hopefully it don't blow it again.
yeah, I'm trying to definitely make sure it's good this time.
That's all it takes, one wire in the wrong place.
What's that?
I said that's all it takes, one wire in the wrong spot.
Oh yeah, definitely, absolutely. Whew. I just hope that hope everything else is good. Uh-oh. No pressure. I mean, everything else seems to be good.
Back here on the sequencer and everything is in where it's supposed to be.
You didn't mess with any of that?
No.
I'll make sure. I'll double check based off the schematics.
Blew off the sequencer.
Red and red.
Yeah, the blue wire now.
We got brown and red. So that red. Yep. white and brown. That should be it. Right.
How's it going?
Hey, what's going on there?
I know you was right there, Jay.
Okay.
Alrighty.
You get your head headlight like that.
Huh?
You get your headlight like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll make all the difference, man.
Big difference, man. Holding it.
We got G for green. That's gonna be transformer.
That's the one that was in the wrong track.
What's that?
That's the one that was in the wrong track.
Oh no, it was this one here. It was over here. Up here. So that's gonna be transformer. Matter of fact, let's make sure. Did you happen to did you happen to reinstall this transformer by any chance?
No,
Okay, just checking.
didn't touch that.
Got transformer R.
No, but it was running. Yeah, before.
Okay.
It had been running a lot.
Oh yeah, transformer common. So yeah, this should be right. We got, yeah, that's grounded. Perfect. So yeah. Let's just do that there. Red. Transform common. That's gonna be the common there. All right, let's see about. It should be good. Try to start her up.
Might be off.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, want me to turn it on? Want me to check, or you want to plug it in?
Yeah, that'll work. You can just go ahead and pop it on now.
No, it's on.
Oh, it's on? Okay.
Look real quick.
No, it's on.
Yeah.
See, it's purged there.
See that one over there and one up here.
Oh, it purged.
Yeah, it purged, but it won't kick in. Real light. I'm talking about the side. Light. It purged, but it doesn't.
That should do it. Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully it didn't,
All
right, so that one went pretty well. They just basically had the wires backwards, the 24 volt, and one of the hot wires that came up the sequencer. They pretty much just wired it wrong whenever installing the board, so no big deal. But yeah, we got it up and running. Basically, didn't want to keep filming with them walking, so talking behind me. But we got up and running, and that all went well. The system's cool and well, and yeah, they were good. There were some cool guys, just asking a few questions. So try to, just tell them about using that schematic. It's the thing about. It took me a while to get used to using a schematic. I'm not gonna lie about it, but that's one of those things where they could definitely save you in a crunch, because without that schematic, I probably wouldn't have been able to figure out how